Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to build the door for my workshop, and it's gonna be a pretty thick door. So basically every door needs a frame, right? So I'm gonna do a frame out of plywood and I'm gonna screw them right into these profiles. And let's see how good this works, right? Let's just try it out. By the way, this is not a tutorial because I'm literally doing this for the first time. So let's see how well I do, right? Before I forget, there is a little bit of gap right here. And if you take a closer look, you see how tilted this floor was. From here, which is 0, up to here are 7 centimeters. So across the whole room, it's about 1 centimeter per meter because this whole length is 7 meters. It's not that bad, but this gives us this little gap here, which I need to fix first before doing the whole frame, right? Since the hinges come on this side, this has to be perfectly level. I think that's pretty much the best I can do. I didn't glue it, but I think who needs glue anyway? I think it's pretty stable and we might not even need glue, right? Just a few more screws and then let's do the other one. Now I finished the second one exactly as the first one. Now let's see how it fits. Now I've done the easy part. The hard part is gonna be the top panel. And I think I screwed up. I'm a genius! Okay, in case you're a skeptic, not bad, huh? I need to screw this up, but then pretty good, huh? Now this one top, I might need to glue it. Where's my hammer? Glue time! I don't know why, but I kind of like this extended part here and here. What do you say? Shall I leave it or cut it? I have no idea. Now let's do the other side, off camera. Oh, look at the outflow. Yee-poo. Okay. Apply some glue. Ah, by the way, do you want to see a really cool magic trick? Now look around, focus. Ha! Beautiful, nice magic trick, what? No, it's not a magic trick, obviously, but have a look around. Not too shabby, huh, that frame? Didn't look so bad, actually. For the first time making a frame, I think I nailed it. What do you guys think? Huh? It's absolutely gorgeous, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of that video. I hope I could inspire you to start something new which you have never done before. The outcome of the whole frame was pretty good and I expected it to be much harder than it actually was. I'm not so sure about the color yet, but maybe you can tell me if you like the color or not. And the next time I'm going to build the door, which is going to be snug fit inside of this. So stay tuned and see how I do a good job or a bad job. Okay, right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.